Hey guys, here's a few tips on how I cook my cookies. I've just started cooking and this will save you a lot of time. One, cook on parchment paper. Two, get a cookie spatula like this one. It's so convenient, it's easy to move these cookies around. And three, get a wire rack to cool it down. The wire rack really helps and doesn't make your cookies soggy and makes them, settle in much better and cool down a lot better. You don't want them to be overcooked on that hot pan. So very, very useful for the wire rack. I like adding butter to my egg while I beat it before I put all the cookie mix in and mix the flour and stuff into it. I usually try to get a small golf ball size or smaller thing. This is a really big cookie and I like big cookies, so golf ball size is fine. I put it into my air fryer toaster. This is pretty awesome because you could do air frying and stuff, but at the same time I bake it at 350 for about 13 minutes. During that time, I like to probably wash the dishes and clean up the kitchen while this is cooking. 13 minutes goes by really, really fast while you're doing other things. And look at that. They look awesome. These are really, really big cookies and they're really, really puffy too. Now, as soon as it's done, you want to take it out so let it cool. You don't want to keep it on that pan. I only keep it on the pan for about 3 to 5 minutes so that it settles. And once it settles and it's ready to be moved and it can be moved, I use that cookie spatula that's silicone.